Hello. Overall, a bearish week for energy prices. So let's take a look at the week's actions in some more detail. Oil prices started to ease on Monday, following the announcement that two major US banking institutes collapsed. Rising US inflation and the impact of the banking collapses weighed down on prices throughout Tuesday. Front-month Brent lost $1.85 per barrel day on day. Brent then fell $6.68 per barrel on Wednesday, largely due to ongoing turmoil in the financial sector. The weekly EIA reported an increase in stocks of 1.6 million barrels from the previous week, which further pressured prices lower. Prices ticked upwards on Thursday as Russia and Saudi Arabia met to discuss production cuts. Last night, front-month Brent closed at $73.47 per barrel, down $8.39 compared to last Friday. As temperature forecasts were revised upwards, wind generation increased and demand reduced, all gas contracts fell on Monday. Near-term contracts fell around 10 pence per therm, whilst longer-dated contracts shed between 3 and 7 pence per therm. Prices continued to ease on Tuesday. Demand was down from both heating demand, as temperatures were above the seasonal norm, as well as reduced CCGT demand, as wind generation was 20% above the seasonal norm. All contracts fell again on Wednesday, on average 3 pence per therm. LNG supply is still really healthy, with 13 vessels due to arrive in the UK by the end of March. Although there was no change in fundamentals, prices increased on Thursday, which was reported as possibly due to key support levels being reached. Last night, all contracts closed lower compared to last Friday. Near-term contracts lost around 23 pence per therm, whilst winter 23 lost around 20 pence per therm, a 16% and 13% loss respectively. Power prices eased on Monday, taking direction from falling gas. However, the losses were not as significant as those seen in gas. Prices continued to fall on Tuesday as wider commodities eased. Contracts fell around £4.5 per megawatt hour on Wednesday, fuelled by losses on carbon and indeed gas. In line with gas once again, all power contracts rose on Thursday. And last night, all contracts still closed down compared to last Friday, losing on average £18 per megawatt hour. You can download the full version of this market report from our website. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next week.